Yesterday, guys, we were buying this and we hit our first target, and we almost going for us. We went halfway to a second one as well, but we came back. The price is now coming back, but going up again. So, guys, for today, it's quite simple and easy, guys. Let's get rid of all of these drawings. If we check the daily, yeah, we are at a resistance here, but we've had this double bottom here. Okay, guys, I can see what's happening from here. So let's get back to the one edge. So, guys, for today, as long as the price stays above 1.34112, guys, I'm bullish, and my first and only target, guys, because it's a Friday, would be 1.34580. And guys, if the price breaks below this, we will be going for 1.33814. So let's see what the AI has cooked up. The AI is bullish as well. Okay, it took it 15 seconds to do the analysis. This is what I'm focusing on, but while fixing this, I broke the entry area. Now it's not giving the proper entry area, so I will be just using invalidation targets. So guys, my next target, so its invalidation is 1.3400, which is located here. I can agree with it. And the targets are 1.3460. 3460, okay, which is also well. And the second is 480. It's Friday, so it's just strike me. It's not doing much on Fridays. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.